So now if we take a look at the erosion control, you can see that we have a phase 1, and if we go to the next page, we have a phase 2. So again, just like in the subdivision, there's different sequences of construction and different phases. You can see here, if we zoom in just a little bit, that we have a construction entrance. It shows where the construction trailer is going to be, some inlet protection, as well as some other erosion control measures while we're constructing the site. You can see where the silt fence is going to be. So again, using Business Center, we can lay this out, send it out to SiteWorks via Works Manager, and you can go out and stake out that silt fence. If we look over here, you've got some construction fence, some limits of disturbed area. Looking at the legend, if we come down a little bit further, we can see these are dust control measures, temporary seating, some stabilization as well. So we've got a sequence of construction that has to happen. So for phase 1 and phase 2, you've got that information in here. Some BMP maintenance notes. So your BMP is a best management practice, which is your pond. So because we don't have a pond on site, we probably have to protect the pond where this water's on site actually currently running into. So the information there on the construction, location of the trailer. If we go to the next phase, you can see here we're getting into phase 2, and this is where now we've got some storm structures in, and we have to protect those storm structures with some inlet protection so that the silt and sands and debris doesn't get into the storm sewer system. As we go down further, you've got all your detailed notes based, typically from the erosion control sedimentary manual, which is put out usually by VDOT or the DEC of your city, state, or county. So a lot of detailed information about how things should be done. Here's a silt dike, so even putting dikes in the ground. Here kind of gives you a preview of what the existing site looks like. So it depends on the engineer and how they detailed they put their plans together. This is a lot of information you'll find on these site plans. So here's some more information. Here's a construction entrance. Here's a safety fence, check dams. All right, so all this has to go out on a site and be put up. More details around inlet protection. You can see, the way the sheets are numbered, C4-4. So C4 would be all your erosion control, and then it's dot 1, 2, 3, 4 in this case. And 5, temporary seating. All right, so all this data is what they're going to pull off of for doing their takeout or takeoff requirements, as well as doing their model building and stakeout. So see, there's like almost 7 sheets for just the erosion control measures. Actually 8. So next is the demolition plan. We'll talk about that in the next video.